Kaizer Chiefs have announced that they are going to release their jersey this week. They released a statement saying that the Kaizer Chiefs store at the village will be closed from Monday 22 July to 26 July to prepare the store for the reopening with the sale of the new 2024-2025 jersey. The jersey will be unveiled on Thursday 25 July and the team will appear in a new kit in the Toyota Cup against Young Africans on Sunday 28 July at the Toyota Stadium in Bloemfontein. The jersey will also be sold in Bloemfontein on Saturday at the activation and on Sunday at the stadium. So yeah, that's the statement that Kaizer Chiefs have released. Yeah, so let me hear your thoughts down below. Are you excited about the new jersey that Kaizer Chiefs is about to unveil? Let me hear your thoughts down below in the comment section. See you next time.